Welcome to Staff, the main module for PurelyHR. In this video, we'll show you how it works. Let's take a look. Staff is the module where you will create, edit, and manage your employee accounts. Let's begin by learning how to create a new employee. Click Create User on the right side of your screen. From this screen, you'll be able to set their role, first name, last name, job title, employee ID, which is optional, hired date, email address, and username. Once you're finished, click Save. Once you click Save, you'll be brought to the user profile. Here, you'll be able to edit the personal, contact, and address details for this employee. Next is employment, where you can change information such as the hire date, user type, department, office, and other optional information. Account allows you to send a welcome email to the user, which allows the user to reset their password and contains their company ID, username, and login link. You can also manually change their username, password, change their role, and deactivate their account. Compensation allows you to enter a salary for the employee and view the history of their salary changes. Documents allows you to upload private or public documents. And Notes allows you to enter information about the employee for managers or administrators to see. At the right side of your screen, you can choose who manages this user by clicking on the User Selection button next to Managed By. Then select who should manage this user and click Select. If you have a lot of users that you would like to enter into the system at once, you're able to do so by clicking on Import Users. When importing users for the first time, there are 6 mandatory headers that are required in the CSV file. From the import screen, you can download a template which contains the 7 mandatory columns and any of the optional columns you wish to include in the file. You can include the optional columns by selecting the box to the left of the column name. Once you have selected the optional columns you wish to include, scroll down and click Download Template. A CSV file will be downloaded to your computer for you to enter your employee information. Once the file is complete, click Choose File to upload your finished CSV file. Let's continue our tour of Staff by looking at user types, departments, offices, paid holidays, and documents, all under the company heading. First, we'll look at user types. User types allows you to specify the types of employees that you have on your account. To make a new user type, click Create User Type on the right-hand side. Give the user type a name and a description. Once you're finished, click Save. To assign a user type to an employee, click the Assign button on the right side. Choose the users and click the Select button. Click Departments to add new departments to your account. Start off by clicking on the Create Department button. Give the department a name, and then assign that department a color. To add users to a certain department, click on the Assign button on the right-hand side, check off the users, and click the Select button. To organize users by office, click on the Offices button on the left-hand side, then click Create Office. Then give that office a name, and then assign users to that office as we've done previously. Now let's look at adding paid holidays to your calendar. Instead of adding paid holidays one by one, click on the Import Holidays button. Select your country from the list and check off all the holidays that you observe. If they are observed on a different date, you can change the date at this point. If you have set up multiple offices, be sure to check off the offices that these holidays apply to, otherwise they will not be shown on their calendar. If there's a holiday that we've missed, click on Create Holiday. You'll be able to give it a name, choose the date, if it's only a partial day, and which offices the holiday applies to. Let's continue by looking at documents. Start off by creating a folder and selecting if only administrators and managers, or if everyone has access to documents in this folder. Give the folder a name and you're ready to begin uploading documents. Thanks for watching and enjoy your PurelyHR account.